Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp account. It's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open that WhatsApp account you want to delete. Open the WhatsApp application, and then what you have to do is you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner here, and then simply tap on this settings, the last option. In settings, you can see this second option, account. Tap on this account here, and now you can see this last option, delete account. You have to simply tap on this delete account, and now you can see if you delete this account will be deleted from WhatsApp, and all of your devices, your messages history will be erased. You will be removed from all your WhatsApp groups. Your Google storage backup will be deleted. Any channels you created will be deleted. Or you can change your number instead. If you want to change your number, you don't have to delete your account. Just simply tap on this change number and you can change the number as well. And now you have to select your country here, then you have to enter your number here, and you can simply tap on this delete account. And now you have to select a reason here, whatever it is, and then you can leave a tip like how they can improve. After doing these things, you have to tap on this delete account again, and now the final one, you have to tap on this delete account and your WhatsApp account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.